Imagine a life where money is no longer a source of stress. A life where financial worries are a thing of the past, and you can focus on what truly matters. Picture yourself financially secure, with the freedom to pursue your passions and spend time with loved ones. Envision the peace of mind that comes with knowing your financial future is secure. This is the promise of financial freedom, and real estate investing can be your path to achieving it. By investing in properties, you can create a steady stream of income and build long-term wealth. Owning real estate can provide you with both income and appreciation, two key ingredients for building wealth. Rental income can offer a reliable cash flow, while property values tend to increase over time. Many people dream of financial freedom, but it can seem like an elusive goal. The idea of breaking free from financial constraints often feels out of reach. They may feel trapped in the cycle of working for a paycheck, paying bills, and saving what little is left. This cycle can be exhausting and disheartening, leaving little room for personal growth or enjoyment. Real estate offers a way to break free from this cycle and create a more secure future. By investing wisely, you can build a portfolio that generates passive income and grows in value. Investing in real estate can provide a sense of security and control over your finances. It allows you to take charge of your financial destiny and make informed decisions that benefit your future. It can empower you to make choices that align with your values and aspirations. Whether it's spending more time with family, traveling, or pursuing a passion project, financial freedom gives you the flexibility to live life on your terms. This essay will guide you through the steps to make this dream a reality. We'll explore the fundamentals of real estate investing, from finding the right properties to managing your investments effectively. Whether you're just starting or looking to diversify your investments, real estate can be a powerful tool to achieve your financial goals and live life on your own terms. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can turn your dreams into reality. Let's explore how this time-tested strategy can work for you. Together, we'll uncover the potential of real estate investing and how it can pave the way to financial freedom. Financial freedom means different things to different people. It is a concept that is deeply personal and varies widely based on individual goals and aspirations. For some, it means early retirement and the ability to travel the world. Imagine waking up in a new city every month, exploring different cultures, and experiencing life without the constraints of a 9-to-5 job. For others, it might mean having the resources to pursue a passion project or spend more time with family. This could be starting a small business, writing a book, or simply being present for your children's milestones. Essentially, financial freedom is about having the financial resources to live the life you want, without being limited by money. It's about making choices based on what truly matters to you, rather than what you can afford. Financial freedom doesn't necessarily mean being wealthy. It's more about having control over your finances and the peace of mind that comes with it. It's about having enough passive income to cover your expenses and having the flexibility to make choices that align with your values. This could mean having rental properties, dividends from investments, or other sources of passive income. Real estate can be a powerful tool to achieve financial freedom by generating passive income and building long-term wealth. Investing in properties can provide a steady stream of income and potential appreciation over time. Real estate investing provides a path to achieve your financial goals and create a more secure future. It allows you to build equity and leverage your investments for further growth. It offers a tangible asset with the potential for both income and appreciation. Unlike other investments, real estate is something you can see and touch, giving a sense of stability and security. With careful planning, real estate can pave the way to financial independence and the freedom to live life on your own terms. It's about creating a legacy and ensuring a comfortable future for yourself and your loved ones. Real estate has long been considered a cornerstone of wealth building. Why? Because it offers a unique combination of benefits that few other asset classes can match. Investing in real estate provides tangible assets that you can see and touch, unlike stocks or bonds. Real estate is a tangible asset, which means it represents something physical and substantial. This tangibility can provide a sense of security and stability, especially during times of economic uncertainty. Unlike stocks or bonds, which can be volatile, real estate tends to be a more stable investment. Real estate also offers the potential for leverage, allowing you to control a large asset with a relatively small down payment. This leverage can amplify your returns, helping you build wealth faster. Let's delve deeper into the various benefits of real estate investing. Real estate investing offers several key advantages that make it an attractive option for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. These benefits include cash flow, appreciation, leverage, tax advantages, diversification, and inflation hedging. One of the most significant benefits of real estate investing is cash flow, the steady stream of income generated from rental payments. This passive income can supplement your primary income, cover your expenses, and accelerate your path to financial freedom. Over time, as you pay down your mortgage and rents increase, your cash flow will grow, further strengthening your financial position. Another compelling benefit is appreciation, the increase in the value of your property over time. While appreciation is not guaranteed, real estate has historically appreciated over the long term. This appreciation can significantly increase your net worth, providing a valuable hedge against inflation. Getting started: your roadmap to real estate investing. Embarking on your real estate investing journey requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step roadmap to guide you. First, define what financial freedom means to you and set realistic financial goals. Determine how much passive income you need to cover your expenses and achieve your desired lifestyle. Next, invest time in learning about real estate investing. Read books, attend seminars, and connect with experienced investors to gain valuable insights and avoid costly mistakes. Then, determine how much money you'll need for a down payment, closing costs, and initial expenses. Create a budget and stick to it to reach your savings goals faster. Finally, explore different real estate investment strategies and select one that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time commitment. Choosing your investment strategy. There are numerous real estate investment strategies, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these strategies is crucial for making informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Let's explore some popular options that many investors consider when entering the real estate market. First, this classic strategy involves purchasing properties with the intention of holding them for the long term, generating rental income and benefiting from appreciation. By renting out these properties, you can create a steady stream of income while the property's value increases over time. It's a relatively passive approach suitable for investors seeking long-term wealth accumulation. This strategy is ideal for those who prefer a hands-off investment and are patient enough to wait for the property to appreciate. Next, this strategy involves purchasing a multi-unit property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. This is often referred to as house hacking. This approach allows you to offset your mortgage payments with rental income, reducing your living expenses and building equity faster. It's a great way to start investing in real estate with minimal risk, while also securing a place to live. Then, this strategy involves purchasing distressed properties, renovating them, and selling them for a profit. Commonly known as flipping, this method can be highly lucrative if done correctly. It requires more hands-on involvement and carries higher risks, but can generate substantial returns in a shorter time frame. Investors need to have a good understanding of the renovation process and the local real estate market to succeed. Finally, REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. They offer a way to invest in real estate without directly owning property. Investing in REITs allows you to invest in real estate without the responsibilities of property management. This can be an excellent option for those who want exposure to real estate but prefer a more passive investment. It's a more passive approach, similar to investing in stocks. REITs provide diversification and liquidity, making them an attractive option for many investors. Managing your real estate investments. Effective property management is crucial for maximizing returns and minimizing headaches. This involves, first, carefully screen potential tenants to ensure they have a good rental history, stable income, and responsible financial habits. A reliable tenant can make a significant difference in your investment experience. Next, regularly maintain your properties to prevent costly repairs and keep your tenants happy. Address maintenance issues promptly to avoid larger problems down the line. Then, establish a clear rent collection process and enforce late fees consistently. Consider using online payment platforms for easier tracking and management. Finally, stay informed about local landlord-tenant laws and regulations to avoid legal disputes and ensure you're operating within the bounds of the law. The power of leverage. Leverage is a powerful tool in real estate investing, allowing you to control a large asset with a relatively small down payment. By using a mortgage to finance a portion of your purchase, you can amplify your returns. For example, if you purchase a property for $100,000 with a 20% down payment, $20,000, and the property appreciates by 10%, your equity will have increased by 50%, from $20,000 to $30,000. This is because you only invested 20% of the property's value, but benefited from the full 10% appreciation. However, leverage is a double-edged sword. While it can amplify your returns, it can also amplify your losses if the property value declines. It's essential to carefully assess your risk tolerance and use leverage responsibly.